Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify your MyGov ID account using your phone number. So MyGov ID lets you sign into different government services in Ireland using one account. So if your account is verified, you can access more online services. So this is useful if you want to do more things through MyGov ID. So before you start, make sure that you already have a basic MyGov ID account. You will also need your PPS number, your public services card, and the mobile number that you gave the National Driver's License Service or NDLS. If you're missing any of these details, you can check the MyGov fact page for more help. So to begin, go to mygovid.ie. So once you're on the website, select the option to log in with MyGovID, enter your email address and password, then sign in to your account. After logging in, look for the option that says verify your account. So select it to start the verification process. So first enter your PPS number in the box provided, then continue to the next step. Next, enter your public services card number and expiry date. You can find these details on your public services card. After that, choose the option to verify using the number that you gave to the NDLS. Enter that phone number, then continue. And then you will receive a text message with a 6-digit code. So type the code into the field on the screen, then select confirm code. And that is it. Your MyGov ID account should now be verified, and now you can access the services available to verified users. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.